Hey, the company Neewer sent me a rig ring light. I think it's gonna be really cool, and that's what's next. So are you kind of new to photography and cameras and video, and you're looking for some accessories and some cool lighting and some cool just stuff? Well, you know what? There's a company out there called Neewer, N-E-E-W-E-R, and they sell really low budget items. So I'm gonna be checking out a few of these on this channel to kind of show you what's good, what's bad, what to buy, what not to buy, where you can save money and where you might want to spend more on other items. So that's just going to be part of the channel. I hope you enjoy it, stick with us, and subscribe if you haven't been here before, because I'm going to break down everything in photography for you, because that's just what I do, and I have a blast doing it. So let's get to it. So here we go. There's the box for the thing, and it's pretty freaking huge. And I'm going to tell you right now, this is a 20-inch ring light. If you don't know what a ring light is, it's a circle, and if you like it, you put a ring on it. So it's a big damn ring light. So we're gonna break this thing open, we're gonna set it up, and I'm gonna do part of this video using the ring light. As a side note, I just wanted to let you know that they did send this to me. They did send me my money back, and they said, hey, review it for us, put up a review on Amazon, and do a video about it, and the item is yours free. So this is only like the second item I've gotten like that. This is cool. Why the hell not? Wouldn't you take some free stuff if they sent it to you just to do a video? Now, with all that being said, don't think for a second that's gonna matter to me, because if it's a piece of crap, I'm gonna let you know it's a piece of crap, and I'm gonna let you know not to spend your money on it. But if it's really cool and it saves you some money, well, that's even better. So let's open up this bad boy. Now, first of all, the whole thing comes inside of this beautiful carry bag. It has a shoulder strap, has everything, you carry it, and it's really light compared to the box. What else comes in the box? So here comes the accessory box. We have chargers, we have the wall socket battery charger for it, so you can plug it into a wall at all times, leave it plugged in so that you never have to worry about the batteries dying or anything like that. Next up, look at that, it's a little wireless remote control. Cool, we'll see what that does. It has a cell phone mount, so you can mount this into the middle of the ring. It has a little ball head mount. Oh wow. So yeah, it's 2 batteries and a charger. What else is in the box? And not like I need it, but it's another light stand. And this is gonna be the light stand just for this, because it's a newer one. Not newer to me. Well, it is newer to me, but it's also newer. So see, you can play your own words with this. So now we're gonna take this big old bad boy and throw it up here on this light stand here. Now she's mounted, and we'll put it at the height like so. So I'm just gonna plug this in real fast into the wall. Why use the batteries right now? They're probably not charged. All right, she's plugged in, and it's dimmable, it's controllable, so we're gonna throw it on, and it's probably gonna, there you go, boom. It's on. This is more of a pure white, and then you have more of a tan. About right here in the back is where you attach your 2 different batteries if you wanna have this battery powered. And bam. So I'm gonna flip it around right now, and now you can see the light with the ring light wrapped around my lens. So I'm gonna kind of set up where my door is framing me, because that's the composition I want to have. I have all of the pictures around me, and then this ring light is sitting here lighting me, but not really lighting my background. And you can see the differences in light. Now I'll show you. I have an aperture LED, it's about this big. So this is the scene right now. This is just the blue light on in my room, and then we'll throw the light on. So this is the aperture light. It does do good because it's very directional light, and this is the ring light. I think this is gonna be my light for all the videos I do like this. So now, last but not least, I'm gonna tell you that while this light is amazing, I love the way it looks. It is made of very, very cheap plastic, it feels like. I'm kind of worried about the little attachment that mounts it to the tripod, and in a long run, that may weigh heavily on it, but that also keeps the price down to $139 versus other brands that I've seen at $249 and $269, and I've even seen higher than that for some of these ring lights. So it depends on the price point, and if you want to take care of your equipment, this is going to last you forever if you take care of it. Because if the price was any higher, I probably wouldn't have used this. I would have stuck with my other light and been happy with that. Or should we go back to this light, which is the aperture light, which I'm going to be reviewing very, very soon, coming up on this channel. So come on, look how pretty it makes me look. And to make me look pretty, it better be some good light. And lighting is everything, folks. Lighting is everything in photography, everything in videography, everything in anything you're going to create like this, the light is going to sell it. So you tell me in the comment section below, does this light sell it? So let me let you know, Neewer sells this light for $139. It comes with the light stand, it comes with the batteries, it comes with everything I just showed you. And the link to it will be in the descriptions below. Yes, that does help me out if you do buy from that, but not mandatory. I like it. I'm going to use it for a while and come back and do another video in the future because I love lighting, and lighting is everything in photography. And if you enjoyed this video and like the look of this new lighting system, why don't you stick with me? Subscribe to the channel. I'm going to break some more stuff. I'm going to break down photography. We're going to have some fun. Just stick around, see what happens next.